What's up guys, it's Wubny here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a video game that sells upwards to $100. I probably could have got $100 for this game, because I cannot lie when I tell you guys this, it sold within 3 minutes of me listing it. What is the game, you may ask? It's Mortal Kombat 2 for the Game Gear. When it comes to looking for games like this, I recommend looking at on local marketplaces like Facebook or OfferUp. Look for those bulk lots where people are trying to get rid of either their son's collection or they themselves are trying to get out of collecting. If you see these bulk listings, typically you can get stuff for a third of retail, and after fees, you got an easy 1.5 times profit margin. How did I find this game? I got it from the New Jersey buy. If you guys don't know, back in February, I drove up to New Jersey. I spent $2,600. I am about 95% way through with that buy, and with my updated spreadsheet, I've made a couple $1,000s profit. I was slacking on it a little bit because I had to test a bunch of games, but that's besides the point. When it comes to this item, look on local marketplaces. I got mine from one of my suppliers, and these are easy to test. Luckily with mine it was sealed, so there really wasn't any way for me to test it because it's sealed. But when it comes to cartridges or even discs, just visually check them. If they look good, they should be good to list. When it comes to discs, check for scratches. When it comes to cartridges, check for dirty pins. If it's like a gray area and you can't tell whether or not it will play or not, do not list it as working. Test it. If it's clear and it's 100% looking brand new, I would go ahead and list it. And the same with my other items, it's first class mail. Throw it in an envelope, ship it for 9 ounces, and boom. An item of this value, you might want to insure it. I don't insure any of my items. I've only insured one item ever, and it was my $600 carburetor kit from over a year ago, but it was $600. When it comes to something like this, you can choose to insure it, but if you do insure it, it's going to be cheap because the item is light. Anyways guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and keep flipping.
They all trying to be around, now I'm winning. I make it hits, but I'm still independent. Lil' homie, I've been low-key chillin'. Tell your mom when I'm back, I'll be in it. I got a baddie in the West End, brought a best friend, got a bag on my left wrist, fucking next bitch, had to go. Pull up in a new wig, got them clueless on my new shit, I'ma have to move on the low. Yeah, I know that they be fucking with a flow.